Gang, what it do, bro? What it do? So today, you see this right here? This component cover about to go. It's about to go, my guy, because I got the windshield. Yes, sir. I got the flash on, too. I guess it was on last time I recorded something. But I got the windshield right here. So I'm about to take this component cover off. Now I got everything laid out over here. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I ain't got no table and shit, but I'm finna go ahead and get started on this, and I'll be right back. We see how it looks. All right, y'all, we back. You see it looking good. That junk looking hella good. Looking hella good. Got that junk put all the way up in there. You know what I'm saying? All the way up in there. Yes, sir. Screwed in. The component cover sitting over there. So that junk looking nice, hecka nice. So now, cause all my screws is blue, I had the idea I'm probably gonna do these screws blue, them, and then I think I'm gonna paint this black part right here. I'm gonna paint this blue, leave the screws black. I think that might be pretty fire. I'm gonna take this off though. Take that off, paint that. That'll be fire. So yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? This junk looking nice. It's a quick look windshield mod put on real quick, nothing too fancy. Let's see how I look from the other side. Let's see how I look when you're on the bike. Hey, yes, sir. That junk, boy, I'm finna get down through there, boy. You hear me? We about to get down through there with that motherfucker. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. So this is the windshield. And I still got the instructions and shit over here. So this is your Blue Ridge windshield, Route 129. And if you got a Can-Am, you know what I'm saying, or you getting a Can-Am Spider, this windshield is $350. I'm going to put you up on game right now, bro. It's $350. And it's 15.5 inches. 15.5 inches. So I'm not that tall anyway. So I don't need nothing that tall. So what it's going to do is going to block the wind from hitting your lower body and everything. So if that's just enough for you, then you go ahead and get it. Anything got this is $410. I think another one is like $450. And then if you want to get like an aftermarket windshield, you gotta have this right here. You gotta have these. You gotta have them two things right there. You gotta have that front piece, and then you gotta have that little piece right there. Because if you get an aftermarket windshield and you don't have the mounting kits, they don't sell the mounting kits separate. So you ain't going to be able to put the windshield on. So you're going to have to go ahead and cough up that money, get you a windshield that comes with the mounting kits, and then get you an aftermarket windshield if you don't like it. But yeah, y'all, this new windshield, shit. Okay, we're back. This new windshield we'll put on the bike, so you know it's time. I'm about to get down through there real quick, you know what I'm saying? Do the dash. I ain't gonna go that fast. But I'll be able to go a little bit faster now. The wind won't be blowing me off this jump, you know what I'm saying? So this to the windshield video. So the instructions don't tell you how to put it on. So whoever made the instructions is freaking dumbass. But anyway, so this is how you put the windshield together. Hold on. So what you gotta do, it's easy just to put the windshield together first before putting it on your bike. You know what I'm saying? So first thing you will have to do, I got mine laid over, and you can tell I already had it on because I got the little things right here. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to take this piece right here and your screws. You want to turn that bit over, right? I hope them little circle things don't fall out. Just like that. Alright, now you can see it. So you want to put this on here first, right? So you put that on here first. Put your screws in. And then when you put your screws in, that little metal part right there, you want to put that metal part on. And then you want to tighten it up. So hold on, I'm going to show you. Hold on. Alright, so now You see I got the black part on there with the screws in there. And yes, I paint the screws. You know how I go, nigga. I paint the screws. So anyway, you put the screws in there and the little circle washers on there. You want to put those in between. You want those in between the metal part right here and your windshield glass, right? So when you put those on, then you got to take, get out the way, those little bolts right there. You got to screw them onto your screw and vice versa. So I'm finna put that on there and I'm finna show you, I'm finna explain to you how to do it the easy way. And give you a good look at it. Oh, okay. See, you got to put the bolts on there, right? So the easiest way to do that is when you put your screw in there, and you can see it hanging outside of this metal part, go ahead on, take the little bolt, and then kind of like twist it on there a little bit. So that way it's already twisted on there. So when you twist it on there, get you a pair of pliers. So you're going to have to do it with 2 hands though. It's not a 1-hand project. Get your pair of pliers. Hold on to that back part right there, the bottom part that you screw your screw into, and then get your screw and screw it in there. It'll make it a whole lot easier for you to do that. Alright, I'm going to put the other side on, and then I'm going to show you how to put the bottom part on and put it on your bike. Alright, now I ain't got the other part put on there. So they both put on there now. Now you got to put it on your bike. Alright, so now the easy way to do this is to, so we go on that little circle right there, you go on there, and then you got 2 of these, right? So you can take it and kind of just like wiggle it in there. Of course it's a 2-hand project. So I'm going there like that. It'll hold once you put the screw in there. Hold on, let me get the screw. Hold up. Alright, so you put the screw in there and it'll hold it in place, right? And you don't want to screw it all the way in because you still got to put that middle part on down there. So you can just do that on either one side or both sides, and then you can come back. You can put that middle part on there and come back. So I'm gonna put this one on the other side. Give me 1 sec. Hold up. All right, now I got it on both sides. All right, so it's still a little loose because it ain't screwed all the way in, so you can still move it and stuff. That's all good. So this is the final part. So once you get this part on, you can screw this one all the way down. So this is the part you got to put on, and then it holds it to that little metal part right there. That way your shell won't fly off. So in the instructions, it tells you to take these washers and put them under there, right? That's how you're supposed to do it on instructions. But it's hard. For me, it's hard. So what I did when I put on the first time was I put it, or let me say it over. You put the washers under the windshield, so it'll be like this. So under the windshield on the metal part. But that's hard, that's tough. So what I did was, let's say my seat was the windshield, right? I put the washer on the windshield and I put that on top of it. And then I screwed it in there. It made it so much easier. So let me put that on. Give me 1 sec. Hold up. And just so y'all can see how it look when I'm putting it on there. So I put the screw in first, and then I stuck the little washer thing behind it. So when I put it on here, it's gonna go right in that hole and right into that black thing. And all I gotta do is screw it in and then come back and put the other one on. But don't put it on too tight. Just put it on loose enough where it'll hold, and then put the other one on. So hold on. Alright, so see, that's what I'm talking about. You see how it's, you probably can't see, but you see how it's on there? It's on the windshield instead of being under the windshield. But I got the screw on there loose enough where I can put the other screw in there and put it right into the hole for that little middle part. You know what I'm saying? That makes it a whole lot easier. Okay? So hold on. And that's what it look like. See how easy it is? Now you can tighten it up. And now you can go ahead and tighten up the screws on this side and the screws on that side, and your windshield be together. Alright, so this is what it look like when you finish it. So of course your screw is gonna be black. I painted mine, but you put it on there, it's gonna look just like this. Boom, Boom, got the screws all tight. Screws all tight. You know what I'm saying? Yep. So this is how you put the windshield on. This is how you put it on. I'm pretty sure nobody on YouTube has a video on how to put these windshield ons. And this is the once again, just in case y'all get that junk. This is the Route 129 windshield, and this is the directions. The directions, I mean, if you figure it out, you can figure it out. But whoever wrote the directions for like simple people, they was a dumbass. But yeah. So anyway, this is what it look like when you put it on. And remember, when you put the shield on, the first thing you want to do is put this together. You want to put these pieces together. This top piece, this metal piece, the little bitty pieces. Make sure you get your pair of pliers to hold this while you screw in your screws. Once you put that on, then put it on your bike and screw it in to where this will be a little loose. Once you put that on, then you're going to put this part on. And make sure, if it's easy for you, to put your washers right behind this thing instead of under the glass onto the metal part. It's easier that way. And then just tighten them all up. Tighten them all up and you're good to go. You're going to need two types of, what do you call these screwdrivers? Hold on. It's T something. It's T something. This right here. You're going to need two types of Torx screws. So I got one with a big face. Not big face. A big, a big bit. That's for these screws right here. The big ones for these screws right there. That's for them screws. And then got this little one, of course, the little bit is gonna be for them screws right there. You know what I'm saying? So you get you one of these, it acts just like a ratchet. So you click, and you good to go. But yeah, you got any questions on that joint? Shoot me a DM, comment, whatever. But this is how you put it on. And y'all get to see my screws blue too. So you get a 2-for-1 special, my boy. Alright, that's it though. Fuba Gang out.